Dear Darman, it's me, that vegan teacher, Miss KADIE. I just wanted to show you today what I see when I open up my Instagram. You see, I follow all kinds of animal rights activists, and I follow this group, for example, the Save movement. So when I open my Instagram, it's not filled with people who adore me and tell me how great I am. It's not the same as your Instagram. Mine is filled with sadness. But I know it's my own choice to follow these accounts because I don't want to be afraid. I don't want to be afraid to face what's really going on. Now, Darman, I know that in a recent video, you did mention the Impossible Burger twice, a vegan burger, and that's great. But we need you to do more. We need you to have characters in your videos who are vegan. We need you to talk about speciesism, how it's the first form of racism. We have no right to be racist towards animals, to turn them into bacon, sausage, ham, pepperoni, and put them behind bars for crimes they've never committed. These innocent animals deserve to have their own bodies. It's the one thing they own. We have no right to take them and say, your body belongs to me. Darman, I know in your heart you must understand that. I know in your heart you must want to care about them, but I know it's hard because you have all of your fans right now who expect the same thing over and over, but I guarantee you that they are ready for a change. Please make one of your characters vegan. Please explain all of these concepts. Please have one of your characters follow this account, the Save movement. Or maybe one of them has met somebody like me, a vegan teacher who understands how they feel. In your videos, I'd like you to talk about vegan phobia, which is like racism against vegan animal rights activists. It is being cruel to them just because they speak out on behalf of the animals. Many of my students experience this in school, where people wave bacon or ham or sausage in their faces because they know it will hurt them. Because those students who are vegan know what these animals go through, and it is so painful for them. Please, Darman, look into her eyes. This is the meat industry. It needs to stop. All gas chambers should be shut down. Gas chambers were built and used against the Jews by the Nazis. That was wrong, but the Holocaust never ended for the animals. It still goes on today. Billions of them are suffering. Billions of them could stop suffering if people like you would speak out on their behalf. Below, we're going to see the dairy industry. This is a baby cow. Look what humans do to them. They're muzzled so that they won't be able to drink their own mother's milk. Their mothers are taken away also and pinned down. She's tied down. She can't get to her baby, and he can't get to her. This is a crime. Darman, I know you have a baby. I know that your wife breastfed. Can you imagine if somebody had come and taken away her baby after forcing her to be pregnant against her will? We must all stop drinking milk from cows. We must all stop eating dairy ice cream and yogurt. All of these products must be abolished. We must stop breeding animals into existence just for our taste pleasure. It's wrong. It's wrong to use animals. Darman and his audience who are listening, I want to encourage you to be as vegan as possible, to buy soy milk instead of cow's milk, and to buy vegan alternatives. You simply can Google vegan recipes. It's really easy. Just put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart and let her live. Open up your heart. Anyone who lives near a grocery store can help. Everyone can buy soy milk instead of cow's milk, or oat milk, or hazelnut milk, or any of the other milks. Or if you don't like it, just buy no milk, but don't cause them to suffer. They're so innocent. They did nothing wrong. Together we can have a vegan world. Darman, I know you're participating right now in Team Seas to help protect the oceans. But if you continue to eat fish, you're continuing to contribute to the pollution that goes into the oceans with those giant fishing nets that get dumped in there. The real solution is veganism. To stop taking fish from the oceans, to stop taking any animals away from where they belong with their families. All of us have a social and moral responsibility to become vegan. Darman, on your channel, I encourage you to please talk about vegan phobia, cruelty towards vegans. I encourage you to talk about speciesism, the first form of racism. On your channel, I encourage you to talk about dystopia, which is the anguish of being vegan in a non-vegan world. I would like you to also mention the word vegan fantastic. That's a word that I invented, and it's for people like you who might not yet be vegan, but who can help animal rights activists, who are kind to them, who, when it's time to go to a restaurant, say, hey, let's all go to a vegan restaurant together. That way everyone can eat. Thank you, Darman, for listening. And thank you for everyone who is a fan of Darman for being here today. I encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and look below where the notification bell is. Subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get these innocent animals out of hell. Thank you.